Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make crème brûlée without an oven. You might think this classic dessert requires special equipment, but it's surprisingly simple to achieve right on your stovetop. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the rich custard to creating that signature crunchy topping, all without turning on your oven. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this elegant, easy-to-make treat. To begin our no-oven crème brûlée, gather just a few simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of rich heavy cream, 4 large egg yolks, and approximately 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. For that iconic flavor, use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or the seeds from 1 vanilla bean. A tiny pinch of salt is also essential to enhance all the sweet notes. These basic items are likely already in your pantry, making this dessert incredibly accessible. Now for the magic of the stovetop custard. First, gently heat your cream and vanilla in a saucepan until it just simmers. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until light. Slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. Return this mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat for about 15 minutes, stirring constantly until it thickens enough to coat a spoon. Pour into ramekins and chill for at least 2 hours. The final touch is the signature crunchy topping, and you don't need a torch. Sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over your chilled custards. One method is to heat a large metal spoon over a flame until it's red hot, then press it onto the sugar to caramelize it. Another option is to make a small batch of caramel on the stovetop and quickly pour it over the custards. Or, use your oven's broiler for 1 to 3 minutes. Serve immediately to enjoy that perfect crack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.